In this video, I will show you how to use United Airlines miles. So if you have miles, you can head over and then book flights, or you can also get some saver rewards that require a few miles or anything. You can also use it for upgrades as well as travel perks like Wi-Fi membership, TSA pre-check credits, and the likes. You can also use it for merchandise as well as experiences using concerts if they allow it, sporting events, Mileage Plus, and theater performances. So to redeem it, what we can do is you can just head over to the Mileage Plus account of the United Airlines. So for that, let's head over and then go over right here to the Mileage Plus, and then click over right here to My Account. And then from in there, it will open in here a new window that will actually show you what it looks like. So for this right here, just head over and then sign in using your email, and then it will ask for your password, so just head over and then do that. Now from in there, you can see in here this earn and use miles, so you can also buy and transfer those if you would want, and you can see in here the deals like for example concert as well as sporting events that has that. Now, in here, you can book some flights with miles. So, in order to do that, what we can do is we can just input right here our destination. And then from in here, you should be able to see in here an option for the flight credits, and you can find it right here.